Hey man, how y'all doing, boys? It's your boy Chief Green again. We're checking here live at the Magic Convention or Sourcing That Magic. And who do we have here today?
Pardon?
What's your name?
Jimmy.
Timmy? Yeah. And what's the name of your company?
New Hope Clothing. We are from Guangzhou, China.
Guangzhou, China. Did I say that correctly?
Yes, Guangzhou.
Guangzhou.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So are you guys fully functional factory? Do you guys do textile or manufacturing? What is your specialty?
We are special on the streetwear, especially for the men's, and our MOQ only 50 pieces. We are very professional on the vintage style, like the t-shirts, the hoodie, and the camel sets, especially for the workwear. Yeah.
So look, this is pretty awesome. What material is this? This is like a denim or cotton? What is this?
This is Kawas cotton fabric. It's like Carhartt, the big brand.
Carhartt.
Yes.
Yes.
They are use similar fabric as it.
And you could do this for 50 pieces.
Yes.
How much would it cost to get per unit for 50 of these?
Yes, it's about $25. Yeah. Oh,
sorry, I dropped the drip, man. The drip is so awesome. I dropped the drip. It's dripping everywhere. Yeah. This is dope. So $25 times 50, and you can do this awesome cut and sew custom Carhartt denim. Like, that's dope. I have a question. So I designed my own version of a camo. I have my own custom camo. Could you make my camo on this Carhartt stuff like this?
Yes.
That is dope.
It's customers. Yeah, so you can do your own pattern. You can do your own pattern. Any pattern is no problem. Yes.
Okay. Does it cost more to do my own pattern?
Yes.
Okay. So.
Yeah, and also can put your own labels, the packaging.
Would it still be 50 pieces with my own pattern?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do.
Awesome. What is your turnaround time?
It's about 4 or 5 weeks.
4 to 5 weeks. So a little over a month. Get you some super hot shit. You feel me? Custom pants. Okay, so you said $25 for the jacket. How much for the pants? What would a set cost like this?
Yeah, it's about $18.
$18. So 18 times 25. Let's just say $45 for a set. That's under $50. You get 50 pieces done. This is really quality, man. Like, if you drop this, I guarantee you sell out, man. Smoke weed every day. This is my girl from
Jimmy from Guangzhou.
Awesome. Do you guys have Instagram or any social media contact?
Yes. If you can follow us on New Hope, here is our company name, New Hope. Yeah.
Get us right here, Bugs. Can you see it? All right. So, yeah, we're right here at New Hope, and that's everything, man. Appreciate you guys tapping in at Sourcing That Magic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.